Hi guys, how are you today? This is Shruti Bhardwaj, your numerologist. I'm back with my series for numbers. I will be giving you predictions for the year 2025. But before I do that, did you even notice how fast the year 2024 has gone by? Oh my God, it was so quick. Well, we can't do anything about it because time flies. So, without much delay, let's dig into the series for the year 2025. Okay, let's keep it going. For people who are new to numerology, in numerology, we bring everything to single digit. That's what we're going to do here. So, the year 2025, we're going to add all the numbers here and bring them to single digit. So, when we add 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5, it comes to 9. 9 is the single digit or the number for the year 2025. Now, 9 represents Mars or the planet Mars. In Hindi, we call this planet Mangal. It simply means that the Guru planet or master planet for the year 2025 is Mars. Now we know the master planet for the year 2025 is Mars. We need to understand the nature of this planet. If you look at the number 9, this is the last number in the series of numbers, starting from 0, 1, 2, and the last number is 9, which tells us that the number 9 is the year of completion, or this will put an end to something. So, if you have been feeling stuck in a situation for a long time, then your wait is over. You will see results this year. Now, the result that you're going to see depends on your driver number as well as your deeds in the past because number 9 acts as an auditor. The job of an auditor is to review all the financials prepared by an accountant, and if they see any discrepancy, they are going to give you their decision. So, number 9 expects people to act in discipline. Number 9 wants people to be consistent. And there are many more things that we're going to discuss further.